Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my makeup brushes. Now there is no right or wrong way. Everybody does it their own way. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do it. So today I'm going to be using my mat. Some of my brushes I do use for the palm of my hand. So if you don't have a mat, then that's completely fine. I think I got mine at Marshall's or TJ Maxx for about $10 or less for the mat. So you'll just see me repeating those same steps using my mat, taking my brush, wiping it on the towel to get it a little bit dry, shaping the brush, and boom, there you have it. As you can see, I have my mat, and I love this mat. I think like I said, I got it for about $10 at TJ Maxx or Marshall's, can't remember which one, but they have the different textures for different sized brushes, so that's what makes this mat really, really good. After I let my beauty blenders soak for about 10 to 15 minutes, I run them underwater and I just squeeze all of the product out, and it's so easy. I like to clean my beauty blenders after every application too, just so you can keep them nice and they don't get buildup. And that's it. That's basically how I clean my brushes and my sponges. Let me know how you guys clean your tools in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.